This PC setup cost me almost $5,000 to build. Let's dive in and take a closer look. So I actually built this setup about over the course of 3 or 4 years, and it cost me around $5,000 to build altogether, and that includes the VR hardware. The PC powering this setup is an i7-11700K with a GTX 3080 graphics card and 16 gigabytes of RAM. For my primary display, I'm rocking an Asus 144Hz 1080p monitor with a 1 millisecond response time. And my secondary monitor is just a generic Samsung 27-inch monitor in portrait mode. Supporting these displays are some monitor arms that I picked up off of Amazon. They're really nice. I can move it forward and backward, up and down, no problems. For audio, I've got some super old Logitech speakers that I bought at Walmart like 10 years ago that are still working, so fingers crossed they'll continue to do so. For recording audio, this mic I have is the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB, so there's no XLR inputs or anything like that, you just plug it straight into your computer. And that microphone is connected to just a super simple, cheap microphone arm that I got off of Amazon. It works really well. My keyboard is the Corsair K68. The only beef I have with this keyboard is that it's not full RGB, it only gives me red, but it has Cherry MX switches, so it's a nice typing feel. So the desk I actually got for free, which was nice. It was a little beat up on the top, so I decided to put some vinyl wrap on the top to give it a nice finish. Now there's a million things I could cover in this section, but I'm just going to go over a few that I use a lot. These are the Arctis 7 wireless headphones. They're wireless, great sound quality. Yeah, not much more to say. They're excellent headphones. So I'm super into VR, so I had to get an Oculus Quest 2. I also have a Vive Pro Eye that I bought as a dedicated PC VR headset, but I gotta say, recently I've been using the Quest a lot more. They've made a lot of really good improvements to AirLink. These are my Valve Index controllers. I use them with the Vive Pro Eye because, let's be honest, the Vive controllers are terrible. I hope I never have to use them again. What's up guys, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I just wanted to try something a little bit different, a little more of a casual style. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments. Hit that like if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.